suddenly a truck came into the railway. Didn't saw the train coming. Train is coming, but it's then the train the burn truck nearby saw everything. It called 911. Came. They searched and searched, but there was no survivors. The end.